So thanks for watching. Today we are sending this Land Cruiser V8 radio map SD card. This is the official diecast we are selling worldwide. This is the map list that's going to send to India. Let me show you what error the customer is having right now. The error, and it's a Japanese variant of this beautiful Land Cruiser V8 Toyota. We have the official diecast over here. We also sell these things. So this SD card is gonna fix the issues. So we are very happy to see India started importing Japanese stuff. So it's going to Haryana, India, to 𝗙𝗵𝗍𝗍𝗏. And he tried to purchase this from the dealer, but he failed. So he contacted and we confirm it's gonna work out. So that's all from the show pretty much. There's a vehicle SD card stock, which is saying the number we match and we import these things with the assurance it's gonna work out. And every vehicle comes with a suspension, so you can see this is not overlocked like any diecast. It's all about Toyota.